Hey. Guys, I'm packing my UK meat pie. My meat pie is flying to UK. UK meat pie. I still have in the oven. Then when I come back from work, I will still bake, So I'll be using this to pack my UK meat pie, my crunchy and yummy meat pie. I'm carrying my business on my head. Oh, can you see? My mini business is growing and this is flying. Check out, check out, check out, check out. Love you all and God bless you. Continue watching. I'm carrying you all along. So guys, you guys know that I'm traveling tomorrow. I'm going to UK. So guys, I'm preparing this for my husband. Catfish, and I'm making a, sorry guys, where I have my yam. I'll fry this also. So here I have my turkey pepper for my pig. This is the sauce for my catfish. Everything is ready. So I will go on now and add my already steamed, just I will add oil. So I'll add it in the oven. Guys, today so I'm making jollof rice for my children. I'm using also present rice. My husband bought present rice instead of Obama rice because so it's already ready just to see now. So guys, I will go on and add my fish, my catfish in the oven. Only go enjoy you. Only go enjoy today. Okay. So guys, let me eat guys. So that is it. We'll take small one. And add some sauce. It's pepper. This is for my fish. So guys, this is for my children. My fish is in the oven. Koto. Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger Best Italy. So guys, Lucy Baby is going to travel to UK. So guys, that is it. This is my first time traveling to UK. My first time traveling to UK as an Italian citizen. Citizens. So I have my table bag. Is it boss? I will call it boss. And my earring. This is what I'm going to wear on Sunday. So guys, let me add my wristwatch, my bangle, and my rosary chocolates. Even inside I can even put my makeup things. I don't know whether they will tell me to remove it in the flight, but let me just. Guys, the problem is that I went to more than today to go and make my hair. Behold, I came back now without making my hair. I just want to do simple hair packing. Then I will not fix this on it. Not even fix itself. But this is my hair. But I think I can do it alone. I can do it by myself. I will take it there. They will fix it for me. But before going, I will pack my hair up gel, you know. And they also changed the dress. I wanted to wear a simple gown, but I changed mine. So that's why I'm going to change hairstyle. I'm going to repeat it here. When I reach there, I'm almost done packing. I'm not going with this cap. I don't even know whether I will go with this sharper. So that is it. Over here I have my eyeglass. What again? Okay. So I'll be going with this, my bag. I'm going with this, my bag. So here I have my tickets. And here, my husband just, where are you going with Nigerian passport? I don't have my Nigerian, I will hold it in case. And here I have my citizenship, my Italian passport. Okay, I'm going with it, but I will hide it so that my husband will not see Nigerian passport. I don't want to wahala. So that is it, so guys. So I'm packing now. They have my serviette. Where is the fazzoletto? Okay, here I have my sharper and my fazzoletto. So that is it. Maybe I'll be going with this, or I will leave it. So that is it. So that is it. So guys, stay tuned because you will like this video. You will like this video. I made I'm going also with my meat pie, you know, but it's inside the freezer. And pepper, I bought pepper from Makosi. So it's inside the freezer. That is on Saturday morning. I will put it in the bag, you know. So where is it? UK baby, UK baby, UK baby. Okay. UK baby. No, I'm not going with this shopper. I don't know how weather it is there. So guys, we are in Bologna airport. Already check in, so we don't need. That's 5 to 4. Hey.
dispositivi elettronici, tuttavia non è ancora consentito effettuare o ricevere chiamate.
We are in Francophone, you know?
Vi richiamo